Pleased to meet you. I hope you guessed my name. I'm Marco Ruggiero, and I'm here to congratulate my great friend Hugh Choi for the opening of Danac, a sale company. Please allow me to introduce myself. I am a medical doctor. I obtained my MD in 1980. I have a PhD in molecular biology and a specialization in diagnostic radiology. I worked as a young postdoc at Burroughs Wellcome Co. in the United States of America since 1984, and later on as a visiting scientist at the National Cancer Institute of the NIH, National Institutes of Health of the US government since 1987. Later, I was appointed professor of molecular biology at the University of Firenze, or Florence if you prefer, in Italy in 1992, where I worked until 2014. I am the founder of Silver Spring, a Swiss company specialized in research and development of innovative products. In 40-some years of scientific and academic research, I published more than 240 scientific articles, with many co-authors, among them scientists such as Eduardo Lapetina, Stu Aronson, Jackie Pierce, Peter Duisberg, Henry Bauer, the late Dr. Jeff Bradstreet, Dr. Dietrich Klingart. One of my articles was sponsored by a Nobel laureate, Sir John Vane, and it was published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States. My current research interests are in immunotherapy, quantum biology, and microbiome medicine. A few months ago, I was invited to speak at a conference. Actually, I spoke at hundreds of conferences all over the years, but this latest one was particularly important because it was attended by eminent scientists, among others by Nobel laureate Sir Roger Penrose. I had the privilege to meet Mr. Hugh Choi more than 1 year ago, and as soon as I met him, I immediately felt that I had met a trustworthy man of integrity and honor. I think that he is an enlightened entrepreneur with a vision for the future, a compassionate businessman whose lofty goals are aligned with mine. As soon as I met him, I immediately took the opportunity that my great friend Hugh was offering, that is, to develop exclusively for him the two most innovative products that came out of my 40 years of research. Two supplements that may change forever the field of integrative and complementary health medicine, ZincZETTABIOME and ZetaRosh12. What are they? I could talk for hours to describe their incredible properties, but let me give you a very brief overview. ZincZETTABIOME is the only pan-biotic in the world. There is no other like that. It combines the health-supporting properties of prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. It is an entire ecosystem that reconstitutes, enhances, and optimizes the human microbiome. Panbiotic is a new term for a new product. It is a term that indicates a product that encompasses all. Actually, pan is a prefix from the Greek language. Pan meaning all, or of everything, or involving all members of a group. And what about ZetaRosh12? Also, this is an absolutely novel compound, formulated with the goal of supporting brain health. It is a supplement designed in the context of the complementary approach to neurodegenerative, neurodevelopmental, and autoimmune inflammatory disorders. ZetaRosh12 has the goal to restore the brain entropy that is altered in neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and autism. Because of its mechanism of action, ZetaRosh12 is also intended to be considered in the complementary approach to those autoimmune inflammatory disorders that are currently treated with the systemic corticosteroids, including, but not limited to, asthma, allergic rhinitis, hay fever, hives, atopic eczema, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, painful and inflamed joints, muscles and tendons, lupus, inflammatory bowel disease, including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Both products have the potential for limitless success, since they are unique, highly innovative, and have the potential to help a great number of people suffering from all the conditions mentioned before. As we say in America, the sky is the limit. This means that there are no limits and that anything is possible. My greatest joy is to know that these products are in the hands of my great friend Hugh, who I'm sure will be able to exploit all their limitless potential and bring them to the greatest success. Since I am already 66, I feel I only have 40-some years of active research ahead of me, and it fills my heart with joy to know that I shall be able to count on Hugh's friendship and collaboration for the foreseeable future. I am fully convinced that our friendship and collaboration are as strong as a pact of steel and will stand the test of time. I want to state here that my great friend Hugh has my total and unconditional support in his endeavor to promote the products that I have invented for him. In conclusion, I feel that today's event marks the beginning of a new era in the field of integrative and complementary medicine, with the launch of the two most potent supplements that the world has ever seen. And it is thanks to the honesty, the understanding, and the cleverness of Mr. Hugh Choi, a visionary entrepreneur, that the people of the Republic of Korea will now be able to reap the boundless benefits associated with these innovative products that I designed and developed for him. Thank you so much, and good luck with your endeavor.